It's it up for today. So the confusion continues. We up, down, 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 up, down. And at the moment, we're just kind of hovering confused. So this to me is we are still very much on an uptrend. There is your trend. Okay. Doesn't matter which way you look at it. Doesn't matter what you see at the moment. Your daily trend is up. This bit of consolidation here is pretty much irrelevant. And if you look at it from a price action perspective, confirmation of the uptrend on the daily is pretty much a break of that fractal, and a trend change is going to be a break of this fractal. You could also bring that down to this daily fractal here, so break above 26,800, confirm the trend to the upside, and a break below 24,571 confirms this, what could be a flag break, this channel break, and would then give us downside. So that's pretty much the scenario we have at the moment. If you look to the left here, we do have quite a bit of support here. Okay, and that is at 25,255, which is pretty much where we are at the moment. We come to the 3 hour. As confusion continues, you can see we've been going sideways for pretty much 2 weeks now, and we now looks like we're finding some support. We've got some buyers coming in here. I would be curious to see what happens here. We are bottom of channel as well. S&P is a bit clearer. We've got a pretty well structured range that's there, and we've got a target to the downside of it breaks, and we've got targets to the upside of it breaks. But the Dow's a little bit different. It's a little bit confusing here, so there's nothing clear that's telling me we have a solid range. I think let's just get down to the 15-minute and see. Nope. But I suppose the idea would be the same for me. I'm looking for a break up above 25,587 before even looking at longs. I'm not looking at shorts on the Dow. We're way too close to this trend line here, 25,042. We're way close to the bottom of that channel for me to be comfortable taking a short there. So we're going to have to see pretty much. Just want to get, let's put another level in here. That's probably what we need to look at. But again, that's going to be pretty close to 25,071. Yeah, so for me on the Dow, I'm not looking for shorts at all. There's just too much structure below me here. So 25,067 is pretty much an area. There's a pretty strong area of support here. So it doesn't make sense to try and jump in short for a potential 150 points or so. Not based on the volatility we've got now. So that's not a decent trade as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so if we break to the upside, I'm long. If anything else happens, I'm sit on hands. That's pretty much the narrative. So we break up here, 25,587, and retest that area. I'm long, and I'm looking for more than likely something in the line of that 400 to 500 point trade. Okay, we break the downside. I'm sit on hands. I'm not interested in it. We may have a break below this flag, but then I want to see a retest of it, and that retest is going to have to be on a 4-hour chart for me to even think about changing the direction of my trades. So for now, we kind of touch and go. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. I hope that helps you somewhat, but I hope you can see why I'm not looking at shorts just yet. And I think just again do that, and you'll see we've pretty strong upward move at the moment. It's higher lows. That's class right now is a higher low. Until it takes us out, that is a higher low. Okay, and I'm looking at this on the 4-hour. Yes, we could argue we've got a potential trend change, but we still need to see a move to the upside, a retest of a decent break, and then a move to the downside. And because we're in this channel, I'm a little bit skeptical of that. Okay, until we break through this channel, break through, retest, and then start rolling, that would be my signal to start looking for shorts. But at this stage, I think the Feds have got this one wrapped up. They'll probably start buying stocks again shortly in this area somewhere. Okay, anyway, guys, that's me at the moment, completely confused on the Dow, and nevertheless, I am looking for clear breaks of structure before I get in. Nothing to the downside, looking for the long side. Once we retest this area of a breakout, that would get me short. Okay, anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.